Yo, what's up guys? It's Nick back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about another Pharrell human race shoe. It's called the Black Canvas, and we're going to be talking about when they're releasing on, what the shoe looks like, the resale of the shoe in my opinion. So first, before we get into the video, go ahead and smack the subscribe button. I'm 27 subscribers away from hitting my goal by March, which is 100 subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing, and let's get into the video.
Hey, hey. She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom. I'm sorry. 50 dub, I even got it tatted on.
Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to look at is the shoe, and this shoe is a prime knit black upper with a white text written on top of each shoe, just like every human race. One side says equality and the other side has a language that I do not know what it is. And my speculation is on the blank canvases, I did another video about that earlier in the week, but on the right shoe of the blank canvas it says world, and on the left shoe of the black it says equality. So I'm guessing that the other text is still saying world equality on both of the shoes, just another text, which that is pretty awesome. I like that Pharrell did that with these shoes. But you see we have a purple rope laces, might be 3M touches in there, don't know yet, might just be a little silver touches in there. Of course we got our boost midsole that comes on every single human race, and then we got our trail sole. It's not the new trail sole that's coming out later this year, it is the same trail sole from last year. And we also got the purple bricks on the NMDS, and we got our trifold logo on the back of the shoe along with Pharrell Williams on the other shoe. And this shoe, my opinion, it's going to look great on foot. Not too sure about the purple laces. Might have to switch them out with some white laces. Maybe if I get the blank canvases, switch the laces around. That would look really cool. But let's go ahead and start talking about the resale of the shoe. I think like sizes 9 to 12, 9 to 11 and a half are going to be reselling very well, around the range of 500 to 650 for those size shoes, and then all the other shoes, the more uncommon shoes, shoe size will be for less, under 500. And I don't know, I think that the blank canvases are going to do way better, not way better, but a little bit better than the black canvases, just because the cream has a thing with Adidas. The cream Ultra Boost 1.0s, they are going crazy right now, super limited. Crazy. It would be crazy if you got a pair. So I think that the blank canvases are going to do way better than the black canvases. But we can go ahead and talk about what they're releasing on. They're releasing on Adidas.com with no splash page. They're not like a Yeezy release. They're not a general release either. It's a limited shoe, but it's going to be releasing on a time schedule, kind of like you would see an Ultra Boost release on, where there's a countdown for about 48 hours. That's usually when they go up on the Adidas website, is 48 hours before they're going to release. So I think they're going to be a countdown on the website, and you just stay on that website, and like when it's 5 minutes away, go ahead, hit the refresh button, and you're going to go straight to select your size and do the CAPTCHA and check out or whatever. And so there's no splash page. There hasn't been a splash page on any human race shoe yet. So if there is a splash page, that's my fault. I'm telling you wrong information. But speculating from every single other human race shoe, no splash page. Just like first come, first serve. First one to get it in your cart. And I'm not too sure that reserving it in your cart, like Adidas does at 10 minutes, it's reserved in your cart. Not too sure if that works, because you get cart jacked all the time. Cart jacked is like when your shoe, you have it in your cart, countdown timer, go to check it out, it says it's sold out, or there's limited sizes available or something like that. But like I said, no splash page. It's going to be a countdown on Adidas website. Be there on February 23rd. So the shoe is going to be priced at $250, along with the blank canvases, which is a retail price of $250, and then resale is going to go skyrocket from that. But these are the first wave of a pack that is coming out. This is a blank canvas pack, and then there's another pack releasing next week on March 2nd, is the Holly pack, which, like I said in my last video, it's like you're painting on the blank canvas or black canvas, and then you have paint on the Holly pack. They painted over it, Pharrell painted over it. So those are going to be, I think those are going to be reselling way more, and they're going to be way more limited than the blank and the black canvas, but that's just my opinion. So yeah, I think that sums up this video. We talked about when they're releasing, what day they're releasing on. Don't know what time yet. Nobody's released that time. Nobody knows what time. And we talked about the resale and what the shoe looks like. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to smack that like button. I appreciate you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Dance with my dogs in the nighttime. Trap with the chickens like Popeye. Money changing colors like tie-dye. I'm just trying to get it, I ain't trying to die.